Bliss Apparel. Come shop now. Coming to a town near you.
Obviously, we're still in the works. That's okay. We've been here for time is about 3 hours, and this is our progress. But that's alright. I'm nervous. I'm gonna have my daddy with me, Brett's with me. Sandy's on the way, and we're good.
What's up, y'all? It's Sam. Today is a big day. Let me tell you why. You see, Han's not with me right now. I know y'all ain't seen her in a while, but guess what? She has a pop-up shop today here in Charlotte, North Carolina. So we're about to go visit her at the Charlotte Convention Center. It's a big event. Everybody can bring their own business, and yes, Hannah has her own business, Bliss Apparel, which we'll be giving more info when we get there. But we're going to just pop up and surprise her. And she's not really going to be expecting us. So I'm going to just kind of show up and surprise her. I'm going to try to sneak in. I ain't trying to pay for no tickets, but we'll see how that goes. Probably end up paying, but you know, I'm happy for her. This is her first big event. She was so nervous, but I'm sure she's there doing great. So we're about to pull up on her and see what's up. All right, I just parked. We just got here. Again, I'm so proud of her. Man, small town people coming up. I'm telling you. Stay tuned. We about to walk in, man. Let's get it. Small town people coming up. You know, Charlotte ain't the biggest town, but man, when you from where we from, it's big to us. Anyways, let's pull up in here. See what's going on. Surprise. We here. Hey, love. What you have here? Okay, I see you. What would my girl like? Huh, Han? Like what?
This.
And how much is that?
$34.
34?
Yep.
I'll take it.
My spin wheel.
I'll take it. Oh, your spin wheel? How does that work?
Spin it, and you get your discount. Spin the wheel, Sim.
Oh, right here? I ain't getting nothing.
Sorry, sir. So it's $34.
$34? I pay with a card. No, I'm serious.
Really?
Yes. I'm paying with a card. $34. Yeah, y'all like my new wallet, by the way? I'm on the way. I can't be here playing. I got to do a sale. I'm not just gonna be here standing around, you know?
It's $34.46.
$36.46?
Yeah.
You charging extra. Oh, let me get my wallet out. Hold on, y'all. Hold it. Dang, I'm new to this wallet. There we go.
Slide it.
Stick it in.
Stick it in, baby. All right.
I got a sign.
Sign your life away.
Do I get a bag or anything?
Yeah.
Yeah, text me my receipt also.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll take a bag.
And if you want, you can sign up for free Mary Kay item and 50% off your next Bliss Apparel. But you have to follow our Instagram.
Mary Kay, that's some good stuff.
It is.
Well, thank you.
No, thank you.
Of course.
I'm gonna stick
Gotta
a business
support.
card in your.
Oh, well, thank you. I have a few of those already, but I'll take another.
Be sure to show your girlfriend though.
Oh, I will. She's gonna love that jacket.
I sure hope
Appreciate
so.
it.
You're welcome.
How many sales have you had today, Hannah?
Too many to count.
How many so far?
Like 9.
She's only been open maybe 3 hours and has 9 sales.
We got a whole nother day.
Bliss Apparel, come shop now. Coming to a town near
We
you.
sell out.
Coming to a town near you. Yeah, there were way more items here. She's selling.
I tried to restock, but I'm running a little bit late.
Yeah, she been restocking, but you know I had a cop. You feel me? Ah,
Thank you.
of course.
I said I was nervous, but it's actually fine. You get to meet a lot of new people. This lady right here, my neighbor.
Who?
My neighbor.
What about?
She gets her necklaces hand cut from Indonesia.
See, you building
And she
connections.
tries to remake them.
You got network. That's what it's about. You got building connections.
That's what it's about.
Look at us drinking wine on, and she's on the job. Look at her drinking.
I'm my own boss now. I can drink on the job.
Well, excuse me. And you gonna sit right after you say that? Wow, let me take a sip too then. Y'all want some here?
When we first got here, we tried to put the banner up, and as you can see, it's smaller than the actual closet, so it looked really funny. So then we were like, okay, well let's just try and, tape it up in the back so you can't see it. Well, it fell in this girl.
It fell on who?
It fell on this girl's head.
Wow. Did she sue y'all? She could have sued Bliss
I gave her
Apparel before we even
30%
get
off.
started. And what'd she say? She took it?
Yes.
Wow, it looks great though.
Then one of my friends came up and she was like, oh my god, I have this, because I had the banner sitting under the table. The Velcro stuff, and was like, I have Velcro, so let's just try and Velcro it to the wood.
The friend that was just over here
Yeah.
that you met, yeah, y'all missed her. That's awesome. Wow, I love it. I'm proud of my baby. She's almost made $500 a day within 3 hours. She's an owner. She's doing her own thing. Entrepreneur from small town, man.
Joke.
Y'all can do it too. Start it up. In the city, Atlanta next. Atlanta, we coming for you. Bliss Apparel. Atlanta, I hope somebody from Atlanta, if you from Atlanta and you watching this video, put it ATL in the comments, because we coming for you. Bliss Apparel. Was it a successful day, Hannah?
Beyond successful. I sold a lot more than honestly I thought I was going to sell.
And that's Hannah Dad's here.
Daddy, say hey.
Hey, what's up?
And it's time to shut it down for the day. We'll be back at it in the morning.
And we got to
Bliss
try something
Apparel.
new. We're going to change the mannequin.
Yeah, we're gonna change the mannequin with a different fit, even though we love that fit.
We sold a lot. Honestly, we sold a lot from this fit. Like, I had one lady who bought the whole outfit. She bought the whole outfit.
Wow, I love that fit. And again,
We're going to change it up.
we're gonna change it. Bliss Apparel, y'all come shop. We're in Charlotte. We'll probably hit Atlanta next. And then from there, we'll keep going. It's time to shut down. She's seeing what clothes she went up there for tomorrow. That's one of her favorite shirts. I love that shirt. She made that shirt out of my shirt. How'd that shirt come about, Hannah?
This one?
Yeah, how'd you make that? This is handcrafted.
This is using 2 t-shirts. Sandy actually gave me the green t-shirt. And then I had the black t-shirt. And what I did was just combined it. Put my brand on it. And this is mine.
What's your brand? Let's see her brand.
Bliss Apparel, baby.
Bliss Apparel. This is Bliss Apparel brand.
I made this myself. I couldn't be more. This is my favorite item, actually. You want to put these on the mannequin?
I don't know what you're going to do with that. I mean, you need to sell some jeans, right?
Day 2 of Girl Tribe. We're getting our shelves are getting pretty empty. But we're still out here. Say hey, Daddy. Yep, this is day 2. We'll be out here from 12 to 5.
Right on. We are selling today.
We are.
Bring your family. We have something for everyone.
Challenge.
If you're a female.
Males too. We sold a sweatshirt for a male yesterday,
there
actually.
is,
You want to
yep.
see? Champagne, breakfast of champions.
We are breaking down Bliss Apparel. It was fun. We'll see where we headed next.
Well, you need to bring the drill. And
Everybody's breaking down their stuff.
the back of the hand, is that in there somewhere?
Business talk. Always working. Life of an owner. Entrepreneur. Good God.